Hello. In this section, we are going to study a few one-sample tests. And in this lecture, we will learn how to perform and interpret the one-sample t-test. As you know, this test compares the mean of our sample with a known value, usually the population mean. The basic assumptions for the one-sample t-test are the following. The variable study is normally distributed, and the variable does not present important outliers. In the previous lectures, we have learned how to check for normality with the Shapiro-Wilk test and with the histogram, and how to check for outliers. So I'm not going to check this again now. I'm not going to verify these assumptions. I let this for you as an exercise. So let's go further and run the t-test. I'm going to check whether the average income from this data frame, DEMO, is significantly different from 70. So I suppose that the population mean for the income is 70, and I want to verify if the average income is different from 70. In order to run the t-test, I'm going to use the t-test function from the stats package. In this function, I have to specify my variable, income, from the data frame DEMO. In the alternative option, I have entered the two-sided value, so I want to run a two-sided t-test. And with the option MU, I introduce my theoretical average, my theoretical mean, 70. That's all, so let's run the t-test now. And let's examine the results here in the console. So the mean of my sample is 78.5. The null hypothesis is that this true mean, the observed mean, is equal to 70. And the alternative hypothesis states that the true mean is not equal to 70. Now, let's examine the t-test to see whether we accept or reject the null hypothesis. The value of the t-test is 1.72 with 509 degrees of freedom, and the p-value is 0.08. Since the p-value is higher than 5%, I have to accept the null hypothesis and say that the true mean, the mean of the sample, is not significantly different from 70. So it's practically equal to 70. Finally, the program displays the 95% confidence interval for the true mean. It is 68.8, 88.3. So that's all for the one sample t-test. Thank you.